How to delete comment history on TikTok. First, open your TikTok app. Now, go to your profile on the lower right corner of the screen and then click the three lines on the upper right corner of your screen and then select Settings and Privacy. Now, scroll down to find Comment and Watch History. After that, select Comment History. Now, here you will be able to see the list of all your comments since the first day you used TikTok. Now, by clicking it, you will be redirected to the video where you commented it, and now you can freely delete your comment. Just tap or long press your comment, and then here you can see delete. Now, if we go back and refresh the page, you can see that it is gone. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.